Okay, let's see record type in TypeScript. So as we see previously, if we have an object and we have to pass type for that object, and what if you don't know what is the type of that object? So in that case, you can't give it an empty as we see, because this doesn't mean you can pass a string here as well, right? So we want it to be an object, but we don't know what the key value pair will be, right? So here what you can do is you can say let's say if I remove it and I just add syrup, okay, this is acceptable, but we want it to be an object, so you can say it should be a record, okay, and this is a generic type, and record will have a greater than and less than sign to define what will be in a record. So record is an object, okay, so it will have a key, and key can be a type of string, and then you can have a value can also be a string or a number or a boolean, okay. Now you see, after adding this record, now this is throwing an error that string is not assignable to type record. So now you cannot assign a string, so you have to make it an object, and this is acceptable because you don't know what is going to be in there. And let's say you say name, okay, and now here you can able to give it a string, okay, as we say string, and you can able to give it a number, that is also work, and you can able to give it a boolean as well, so you can say false. So this all will work fine, okay. So this is a generic type for object.